In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free invitation link to the Clubhouse app, and it's pretty simple to do, so let's get started. Okay, so the problem you're probably having is that you signed up for Clubhouse and right at the end of signing up, they're telling you that you need to wait for them to get back to you, or you need to get an invite from a friend that's already using the app. But if you're like me and you don't have anyone to get an invitation from, and you don't want to wait on a waiting list, which could take months, you're stuck. But there are a few free solutions that I've found that actually work. And for the first one, what you need to do is go to your browser and search for Red Cider. Now your page should look like this, and one of the first search results that comes up should be the Red Cider website that looks like this. And if you look just below, you will see get a free Clubhouse invite code. So just tap on that, then you'll be redirected here to another article, and what you want to do is scroll down again until you see wait for Clubhouse invite code, and it will have a short countdown timer. Once the countdown timer is up, a link will pop up with the Clubhouse invite that says click here, and so just press on that. Then you'll be redirected here where it says please wait, generating invite code, and once it's done it will say click here, and it's important that you open this link in a new tab on your browser by holding down the link and pressing open in new tab, or it will just take you to the Clubhouse app and it won't work. Now, sometimes the code will say unfortunately the link you followed no longer works, which means that you will have to wait for the code to be updated. But if you check this link every day, you will get a link that works. But alternatively, I have left a link that works at the moment in the top comments below, and to show that it works, I'll press on it here, and as you can see it says enter your mobile number below to skip the waiting list today. I will also leave the link to the YouTube video that is sharing new links in the description of the video every day. But anyway, if you try those free methods, you have a very good chance of getting a link for free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to help get this video out to more people and help me on my journey to becoming the biggest digital tutorial channel on YouTube. And of course, don't forget to let me know in the comments if this works for you. See you next time. Bye bye.